In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your resume with Grammarly AI suggestions. We'll start by opening Grammarly in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see options to begin working on a document. For a fresh start, choose New Doc. If you already have a resume file you want to improve, you could use Upload, but to clearly see how Grammarly builds suggestions from scratch, New Doc is the best way to follow along. At the top of your blank document, type a clear professional title for your resume. Keep it simple and targeted, like Project Manager Resume or Software Engineer Resume. A focused title helps you frame the content that follows. Avoid personal details in the title. Contact information belongs in the header of your resume file, not the document title here. Now, type the body of your resume. Begin with a concise professional summary, 2 to 3 lines that state your role, core strengths, and the value you bring. Move into your experience section and write bullet-style statements that start with strong action verbs and emphasize impact. Aim to quantify results where possible, such as reduced processing time by 25%, or managed a cross-functional team of 8. Keep sentences tight and avoid filler words. Grammarly will help refine tone and clarity, but giving it concrete, measurable content will produce better suggestions. Create a short highlights or key achievements section to surface your best wins. Think of this as a quick snapshot a recruiter can scan in seconds. Include the outcomes you're most proud of, revenue you influenced, efficiencies you drove, or awards you earned. Keep each highlight one line, crisp, yes, and results-oriented. This gives Grammarly's AI more context to strengthen wording without changing your message. When your draft is in place, open AI Chat within Grammarly. This brings up a panel where you can ask for help shaping your resume. You might request more concise phrasing, a more professional tone, or clearer action verbs. Keep your prompt straightforward so the AI focuses on the text you've written and the role you're targeting. Grammarly will generate suggestions you can review on the spot. Read each change carefully to ensure your facts, job titles, and numbers remain accurate. Accept the edits that improve clarity, correctness, and impact, and skip anything that dilutes your voice or introduces details you don't want. Work through the document section by section until your resume sounds sharp, confident, and easy to scan. When you're done, you'll have a polished resume that communicates value quickly and professionally, with Grammarly's AI doing the heavy lifting on wording and tone.